Show you how to use the trig identities to substitute for the reciprocal trig functions. I'll be using the year 1 identities along with these reciprocal functions here. Now, if you don't know these already, the way to remember them is to look at the third letter in each of these functions here, and it matches with the first letter of these reciprocals. Also note that 1 over tan, the reciprocal of tan, is equal to the reciprocal of sine over cos, which is cos over sine. So by dividing this equation here, this year 1 equation, by sine squared x, I get 1 plus cos squared over sine squared, which is cot squared, x, equals 1 over sine squared, which is cosec squared x. So all I had to do was divide through by sine to get this new identity here. So you can probably guess what I'm going to do with this equation. I'll be dividing it through by cos squared x. Sine squared x over cos squared x is tan squared x. Cos squared over cos squared is 1. And 1 over cos squared x is sec squared x. So now I have 2 further identities that I've just derived using the year 1 identities with the reciprocal functions, and I can use these to replace